Hello everybody. So I wasn't very happy with the way that I taught you guys how to find the sacral points. So I decided to do this video. It's like a little makeover. Okay, so one of the ways that we're going to get there, first of all, I think it's important to show some safe draping. We always ask for permission first. Is it okay if I feel for your hips and your sacrum?
Yes.
And she said yes. So we can tuck the sheet in and expose the part that we need. My hands are freezing and I wish they weren't. She's gonna jump off the table. But what we're gonna do, like we talked about in class, is we're gonna find the highest point of the iliac crest. Too cold?
It's okay.
Okay. And where my finger lands is L4. The bottom of L4. Chris, will you come in just a little closer? And then from the bottom of L4, we're gonna slide our finger again. Actually, hers, I'm already at the bottom of L5. Yeah, I'm at the bottom of L5. This is gonna be L4. And the way I know that is when I slide my finger laterally, I'm already hitting bone, so I'm already on the sacrum. From here, so the bottom between L5 and the sacrum is the sacral lumbar joint. This is where we wanna be. This is gonna be our step one. And then we're gonna go with the hand flat. We're gonna feel for the sacrum, and you can slide your hand when your model is wearing pants. It's a little bit less invasive, so I'm gonna pull this up a bit, and I'm gonna feel for the tip of the tailbone. So this is the tip of her tailbone. I'm gonna put another dot here on the sheet. This is the tip of the tailbone. So half assumed lateral to this is gonna be your UB35, okay? Half assumed lateral to the tip of the coccyx. So I'm gonna move my fingers back up until I find the hiatus. We don't want the tip of the coccyx for this measurement. We want the hiatus. From the hiatus to the sacral lumbar joint, we're gonna split this into 4 equal spaces as much as you can, because these will somewhat line up with the sacral spine, which is really difficult to find. And so are the foramen. So when we find these spots, if we slide them laterally to the 1.5 sewn line, which I should have marked a little bit higher up, I'll mark it again. These points right here are gonna be UB27, 28, 29, 30 on the 1.5 sewn line. In order for us to find the sacral foramen, we slide medially. So let me show this one more time with a mark, with the 1.5 sewn line mark. In order for us to find the 1.5 sewn line, you find the lateral border of the scapula, you find the spine, and you split this distance in half, right? So this is gonna be our 1.5 sewn line. We're gonna follow this line. It is also the highest point of the muscle. So let's say it's about over here. I'm gonna do this again. This joint, hiatus, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are my points. I'm gonna slide them to here. So 27, 28, 29, 30. In order for us to find the foramen, we slide our fingers medially towards the midline. These will be the foramen. Make sure that you're on the bone. So you have to be on the sacrum to find the foramen. The sacrum, again, is kind of triangularly shaped. So your line will probably move medially a little bit. And these are gonna be 31, 32, 33, 34, which are the Baliao, the 4 points that make up the 8 combination that's very good for lower jaw stuff. Okay, I hope that made sense. Thank you.
Okay, I hope I